My name is Eddie Topic. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited, and here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets. We'll start with Euro-Dollar. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a follow-on lower from the previous session's bearish harami. The market has finally broken out of the recent bracket formed from overhead short moving average, currently at 120.93, and below by the medium moving average, currently 120.41. The break below the medium moving average being especially significant. What is also important was how the market punched down through and closed below the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 119.75. We've done this a few weeks ago, but only for the one session. Looking at the bigger picture though, the idea of a reverse head and shoulders bottom has now been retired. However, the action caused over that time making a head and shoulders pattern might look like a possible bearish halfway hesitation. It is way too early to fully contemplate it, but it is appropriate to mention it and also possibly give a target area in the 118.05 region, but with a big question mark with it. So far today, lower still, gently initially but moving. Interestingly, we have limited support now below until the lesser Fibonacci levels at 118.97 and 118.87. I have finally decided to draw a bearish Andrews pitchfork for the 2021 action so far. I'll commentate more on this as things develop. Cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A key reversal down yesterday and a significant move, and closed below the rising combination of the short moving average, currently at 139.43, and the more important middle time, currently 139.33, of the late June, late September 2020 bullish shift pitchfork. As I mentioned yesterday, look for a breakout soon, and so we had one. It seems genuine so far, just always be cautious of false breaks. We're now in fairly free territory below the middle time, bar a small congestion in the 138.30 area, 138.15, somewhere around that sort of area, until we reach the late January congestion between 137.5 and 136.5, within which we have the gently rising short moving average, currently 137.33, and a November 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 136.88. So far today, a further move lower, testing the low of the week and pushing below that, so far at 138.57. Euro sterling. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a suitable follow-on low to the recent combined immediate countering key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern. The market broke out and closed below the lower bracket of this week's action between 86.69 and 86.17, the only the once so far. We still have below target X2, that's for the second quarter of 2020 head and shoulders top in the 85.15 area, and target X1, the target for the recent sideways triangle. Let's wait and see on those. So far today, not really much. We're hovering just below the bracket at the moment. US dollar against the Indian rupee. A fourth bearish black crow yesterday and a test down, but failure to close below the 50% Fibonacci line of the July 2019 to April 2020 move at 72.64. My recently drawn bearish Andrews pitchfork for the early November 2020 to late January 2021 action is showing some interesting aspects. Notably, the partnership of the middle time, currently at 73.01, and the short stroke medium moving average, currently 73.04, since early January. So far today, a surprising open over the partnership of the middle time and the short stroke medium moving average, then a move lower, though halting at yesterday's close of 72.73 at this moment. US dollar against the Brazilian real. An immediate countering bullish piercing line pattern yesterday. This in response to the previous session's very large combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern at the height of the recent market. The base of the action was, again, the top of the recent ascending triangle, the lesser Fibonacci level at 552.91. Now, one additional feature, we had a golden cross, if only just, of the rising short medium moving average, currently at 538.08, over the barely rising medium moving average, currently at 537.84. US dollar against the Mexican peso. a second bullish white soldier yesterday and a suitable follow-on higher to the previous session's key reversal up. Importantly, it was the first close over the upper bull channel line, currently at 20.9638 of the recent bull channel. One other important piece of action: the market's rise yesterday breached but did not close over the long moving average, currently at 21.1437. This is the first time the market has breached the long moving average from below since late September last year. The next significant overhead level to look at is the 50% Fibonacci line of the July 2017 to April 2020 move at 21.5854. So far today, a fresh attempt higher over the long moving average. It seems the market is quite keen to move higher right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Topic and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.